If you're headed north on US 42, you will see a lot of trees, shrubs, and grass that's not cut back enough. I had called the state and tried to get them to take care of that. Uh, I even had my legislators, Jay Williams and even Savannah Maddox, call about that. But still, the state did not do anything, even with them calling. If you can see right here is Beaver Road. It crosses over on 338 on cross 42. You can see them vehicles appearing right there, but you only got a few seconds to get across there or make that turn. There has been some accidents there. Uh, actually, Mr. Hill, Sheriff's Department, told me he had worked a couple fatalities there years ago. And I noticed there was a wreck there not too awful long ago. But the problem is we need to get that grass and the shrubbery cut back. With calling and no results, I decided to start cutting it myself. You see that dump truck coming down the hill there? It has a few seconds of visibility on Beaver Road for someone pulling out. I don't know if it can get any hotter out. Boy, check out my shirt. It is soaked. I got to do all this after almost 2 months of complaining about it. When they've got an excavator and a forester that can just drop this stuff down pretty easily in the air conditioning cab. Down in the ditch, trying to work my way out. You can kind of see me through the brush there. I expect to hear a big old motorbike or something coming by there. It's just a little car. All that noise. Boy, that saw's getting heavy. It's a 362 Stihl saw. Building up my muscles. What little bit I got left. Wow, I can't believe all the traffic today. It's a Saturday. Look at all that traffic. Them dump trucks coming by. Yes, that's the biggest worry I got. These dump trucks coming off the hill loaded down with 25 ton and the weight of the truck. Be hard to stop if somebody pulled out of there. Yeah, I want to thank Savannah Maddox. She's a great representative, and I know she called and tried her best to get this done. And also Jay Williams. Senator Jay Williams actually offered to come out and help, which I was happy about that. But I wouldn't put anybody through this. Here comes another truck down the hill. At that point right there, he still can't see Beaver Road. I'm getting it cut down. But maybe not back far enough yet. These small trees, I couldn't do nothing but use the chainsaw. I had to get down on my knees there. That's a heck of a little hill there. This ain't something you can do with a weed eater. That's why I got that chainsaw. It's a little heavy though when you've got that heavy of a saw. It wears out quick, but it does get it done. That is a 362 Stihl saw. Working my way closer to Beaver Road. It's awful hot out here, 90-some degrees. Humidity. Almost there. You can see I'm just right behind that brush right there. Well, I did about all I can do for one day. It definitely looks a lot better. There I am headed home.